Hello guys, this is another video. I just finished with this new project, as you can see here. Okay, let me drop this. You can see I just rewind this. This is fully made copper, 4 string of little copper wire. I don't know if you can see it here. So what I did here was, instead of using the bigger coil, I used smaller coil. Then I added them for a number in parallel to make this one. This is my multimeter here. But this multimeter is not fully accurate because even in 220 it reads, yeah, it's okay. So this is my battery as usual, and this is my motor. So after I'm done with this testing, normally I'm not going to be using this system anymore. I will be building a new system. Instead of working directly with the motor and the magnet, I will be connecting a shaft here, then with a gear setting to rotate it so that during the rotation it will increase the RPM, because the amount of RPM, the speed that this motor can give out is not that much although after the rewinding. But with the work of gear setting, I can get more out of this thing. Might be little, but it's very, very mighty. So I will also do a test here so you can see. Okay, let's test it. Sorry. Can you see the motor is not that fast, so I'm only getting 130 to 140 motor per 220. So that's what I'm going to change. I'm going to be using something like this with the same magnet, but with an higher RPM to overcome the voltage to get 220 volts. So let's see. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, let me put it here. So let me test it again. You can see. You see, it's very, very bright. Okay, now I'll be testing it with this device, with the device here, so you can see what it can do. Let me disconnect it first. No, I'm a one-hand cameraman, so I need to do all this myself. So now I'm going to connect it directly from here to the wall socket here. So let's do that right away. You see, indicate this voltage in it. Now let's plug a load. You can see. Let me plug this disco light here. Watch. You see, it's working really good. Now let's play some music. You can see. Just with this, and you can see the voltage is still at the 150 volts, like there's nothing in it. You can see how powerful the device is. Let me disconnect again. Let me connect again. Look at it. Watch the multimeter. Watch. I will connect a DVD so you can also see. Okay. Watch. Look at the voltage. Look at the CD set here. Okay, this I'm using the bulb inside to do some testing too. Let's plug it. Look at the DVD. Watch, you will see it play. Can you hear it? Watch. Still loading. It's taking longer than I thought. Still loading. I don't know what kind of cassette is inside this thing. Can you see? It's working. Okay. DVD. Beyond there, buddy. You can see it's working well. Now let's test it with this. Oh, let me check my battery. Shit. I forgot to add the charger inside. Holy shit. Now my battery is very okay. Let me see. I will do another video for that. But first, let me explain it. We'll do a video. I will test everything. So let me explain it. You can see here. Disconnect wire. You can see all that it is.